The science behind garlic for insomnia. Garlic contains several nutrients including vitamins B6, thiamin and pantothenic acid, vitamin C, and the dietary minerals manganese, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc. Several medical research studies have investigated the claimed effects of garlic when treating disease. There appears to be evidence that suggests high levels of garlic consumption can reduce the risk of prostate cancer in some circumstances. There is also evidence that the vitamins and trace minerals in garlic can help alleviate the effects of the common cold. There is evidence that too much topical application of garlic directly to the skin or as garlic oil on the skin can result in minor burns. In areas where mosquitoes are problematic, consuming garlic can help deter them. The sulfur containing compounds which are released when garlic cloves are crushed are natural deterrents for insects. Growing garlic amongst vegetables and flowers can also deter slugs from approaching the area. Garlic under your pillow. Recipe for a healthy life. From 1 garlic bulb, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. Take care not to crush the clove. Retain the paper cover around the clove. Place the clove under your pillow at night. In the morning, remove the clove and discard it. Repeat each night. Does the recipe work? Maybe. Some trace elements are released as the heat of your body warms the clove. It generates an aroma that permeates the air around your pillow. Zinc, in particular, is an element which has antibacterial effects. Does it do any harm? No. And it's not too expensive either. But don't leave each clove in place for too long. Change it daily. If you are expecting overnight guests, it is best to remove any traces of garlic and wash the bed linen to remove any lingering garlic aroma. Alternative natural products to keep under your pillow. Lavender. The aroma of dried lavender is said to promote restfulness and sleep. It is a tried and trusted folk remedy. Rosemary. There is no evidence of any health benefits to be garnered from keeping dried rosemary under your pillow.